Hello and welcome back to my channel Learn SST. So today I have come with a new lesson, and the name of the lesson is Early Development of the Nation, wherein we will see the three sections. The first one is the discovery of oil, the growing population, and the early years of the UAE. Let's see the first section, that is the discovery of oil. The first oil well, called the Murban 3, was completed in May of 1960. It began producing crude oil at a rate of 3,674 barrels per day. More oil fields were quickly discovered, as you can see in the map over here, and the revenue from the oil production started to grow dramatically. In 1971, ADNOC, the Abu Dhabi National Oil Company, was created by Sheikh Zayed. Under early agreements, the gas would be owned by the government, whereas the foreign companies will own the oil. But here there was a catch. These foreign companies were required to pay taxes and royalties on the oil that they owned. In 1973, ADNOC took a 25% share in the oil, which increased to 60% in 1974. Sheikh Zayed created the Abu Dhabi Investment Authority in 1976, which helped in the construction of schools, hospitals, roads. The first university was set up in UAE in 1977. The growing population. The discovery of oil and its profit not only did the infrastructure grow, but also the population. It is estimated that the UAE had the population of 9.44 million in 2014, and the graph is steadily increasing till date. All this is possible because of the better literacy rates, and so also with better life expectancy, and the life expectancy got better because of better world-class health care opportunities which are available over there. So also there are different kinds of economic opportunities available for the people. The first population census was conducted in 1968 that indicated the total population was over 180,000. Let us see the early years of the UAE. The fishing, pearling, and regional trade dominated the Emirati workforce. However, as time went on, industries such as tourism, real estate, resource management, and technological fields dominated the UAE workforce. As the country grew, it became more and more important to symbolize the unity of the seven Emirates. One way to do so was to create a national flag. The colors red, black, green, and white are the Pan-Arab colors, which have been linked historically to Arabs and Islamic faith for centuries. On 2nd December 1971, Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan hoisted the flag for the first time. Now, this is activity 1, very much from the textbook. Please go through. Activity 2, again from the textbook. This is activity 3 from the textbook. In activity 4, it's a very simple factual activity of true and false. Activity 5 has got the distinction between the past career opportunities and current career opportunities. Activity 6 is a short answer activity, whereas activity 7 is a long answer. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time with my new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.